Ever wondered why your adorable pug snores like a freight train? Here's the scoop. Pugs belong to a group of dogs known as brachycephalic breeds, meaning they have short noses and flat faces. This unique anatomy can lead to certain breathing issues like, you guessed it, snoring. The soft palate and the throat of a pug is often longer than usual and can partially block the airway, causing that familiar snoring sound. But don't worry, it's perfectly normal and just part of their charm. Also, their nasal passages are narrower, which can contribute to the symphony. If the snoring is excessive or disrupting their sleep, it's always good to check in with a vet. Remember, every snore is a testament to their one-of-a-kind design, so embrace the snore. It's just your pug's way of saying, "I'm special." Subscribe for more videos.